Today, we're going to see how to use mitmdump to debug the agent. Okay, first one, let's introduce what is this debug environment. This is the iPhone mirror. This is my mirror to my old iPhone, and the whole display is Mac Mini. And in the Mac Mini, this is a very standard terminal. And in this terminal, I will run the MIT dump. You will see here, and that is okay. And this is this utility open source, and we use that to capture these three parts packet. The three part again, iPhone and the backend server and the IM server. The backend server and the MM server both running on the Mac Mini. And let's start with the very simple packet capture. First of all, I will click here. This is our just chat, and click on it. Sorry. So I click two times. So you can see they already have two packets. Actually, four packets. The first one is the iPhone or front end of the Flutter send the chat message to the backend, and the backend respond with 200. Yeah, that's very famous HTTP OK, and then with those message, and send it again like this. Okay, then we can see the packet only between this iPhone and the backend. And because that we only say hi and did not have any required to send it to the IRM. The next we will do this. Show me some photos, okay? And this is the Flutter, the iPhone, send it to the backend, and then show me some photos just right here. And you can see this is the from iPhone to the backend. And you can see here, this is the backend to the Ollama. Ollama is the, the IRM server. And also the request, the model should be Q1 2.5 and blah, blah, blah. And the content is show me some photos and the row from the user. So you can see here, from here, the iPhone send it to the backend send to the server. So our agent is here is just the backend. Of course, backend not only doing the agent job, also doing some other job, but the agent is just right in the backend. And then after Ollama, the Q1, the process, they will send the response back to the backend server, and they send back the content as SQL database command, blah blah blah, and then the backend get this content, they execute this SQL, and they will send the result back to the Flutter. You can see the arrow is left, means from backend to the Flutter. This is, and then we can see here, found the 25 photos, and also there is link you can click on. They will get the photo show up. And where is the command here? Oh no, the message is from the 25 and blah blah blah, and just right here. Then let's click on the photo. The reason they did not, just come to ask the photo again because I clicked this before. If this is the first time, you can see there's a bunch of image requirement coming uh, from this server. Okay, so let's go back. Then here's the question: they only show 25. Who decide is the 25? And then we can see here 25. That is from the Ollama. That is the IAM server decide, okay, you only have 25. So you can see initial came from this Ollama. And we will try another command, which might cause error. And the command looks very simple, but actually it is an advanced command. More photos. Why this is advanced? Because more photos, that is based on your previous chat history. That means your agent need to have a memory, and if you don't have a memory, more photos doesn't mean anything. If you have a memory, more photos refer to your previous memory, and then you have to get back this memory and send that to the Ollama, and then Ollama will process it. Okay, let's see. We mark it here, then we can easily see where the packet will come in. And then, oh my God. Oh, okay. You can see this Flutter send it to the back end. Okay, and then the back end, of course, they will send more photo to the QA, to the Ollama, but here is the history, the message, and the rules. And they needed to find the previous message, not really the previous one, maybe previous one depend your memory structure. You will find the related memory and also send to the Ollama. You can hear more photo. But before that one, you can tell they put end user show me some photos and you respond find 25 photos, blah, blah, blah. All those chat history you will come to send back to the Ollama and to the LLM. The LLM, what they come out with, oh, got more for you. See the message, because they know your income, just chat history, then they continue to respond with, oh, I got more for you. Here are 25 addition photos. Then they give you the SQL. The SQL is, they just truncate here must be, something, the offset is different. Then the back end find got this command that we execute it. This is a little bit tricky because here they put this SQL into the text. So the agent needed to extract the SQL correctly, sort of understand what is the command, what is the message, and then send back. Uh, that is the system from the 25 photos. This is not perfect because they actually they eat this one. And the agent, the improvement we needed to pass those non-SQL message, which is coming from the Ollama, and then send back to the user. You only send find the 25, it's okay, but it's better this way. And pretty much like this. And this is how use this to debug the agent and how to really troubleshooting the agent when they work with the front end and the back end model.